Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your payment method in Netflix. Alright, the first thing you need to do here is to open up your browser. This one will work on both phone and your Windows computer or any other devices that has a browser. You might ask why we are using a browser, because Netflix app doesn't have this feature or doesn't have the feature to change your payment method. Alright, again, open up your web browser. It could be Safari, Google Chrome, or any other browser. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and type in netflix.com and hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. Once you're on their website, make sure to sign in. Alright, once logged in, just go ahead and click on your profile right here at the top right. And then simply hit on account. Once you hit on account, there will be a new page. So go ahead and locate manage payment info. Once located, just go ahead and click on it and then simply hit on add a payment method. After that, simply select your preferred payment method. It would be credit or debit card or PayPal. Once you've entered the card details, make sure to click make the card or PayPal preferred. Alright, click on that so the next time Netflix bills you, it will be deducted to either PayPal or your new credit card added. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.